Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to all of my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to get right into this video as usual. So we're going to be talking about Strong Mommy Chrissy, and I have just gotten finished watching her live where basically she was venting. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start right off. When she said that they were married and his mother didn't even know that they were married. She said she actually had to tell his mother that. I already knew that DeMarcus was a clown, okay? A straight up clown. You get what I'm saying? So I already knew that he was that because in a lot of the videos, you could just look at his face and you could just tell that he was a clown. You know what I mean? But my thing is that you didn't tell your mom that y'all were married. And then I look at you, Chrissy, I say, he never told his mom. You had to tell her that you guys were married. Right there, that would have been a red flag for me. You get what I'm saying? If it wasn't that long ago and it was still within the 72 days, I would have marched myself right on down to the courthouse and had that annulled. Because with him not telling his mom, that would have made me feel all different types of ways. Okay? So, I mean, that right there is just crazy to me. The other thing that was like really crazy, supposedly you have already spoken to the girl, you know what I mean, that is pregnant with DeMarcus's baby. I don't even know. You know what? I don't know what it is about you and all these Marcus men. Everybody's name is Marcus that you seem to deal with. You already knew when you got married to DeMarcus that he was a jerk. You already knew that. You already know that he didn't have no job. You already know so much. Even today, I heard you say that he didn't even please you when it came to sex. He didn't. So what leads me to believe, I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, wow, she has a lot of points that, you know, she tried to stick it in and, you know, stay there and hopefully it will work itself out. But that is one of the dumbest things that you can do, because if it's not working at the beginning, it's not going to be working in the middle nor the end. What I mean by that is that you already knew, again, that he was a clown, that he was always on his best bullshit. You already knew. So now when you see the way he acts, it's no reason that you can get mad at him, because he's always been that type of man. And long story short, Chrissy, you knew that. You knew it. You basically was just keeping him there, I guess, for the watch the kids or whatever, as a babysitter, helping when you need him to help. But hey, don't get it twisted. You already knew how DeMarcus was. It was just so funny because in this video, how you felt like you wanted to get your hands around DeMarcus. Now, Chrissy, you already know. If DeMarcus was in your same town, you would not put your hands on him at all. Now, the guy that you got finished dealing with, you were scared to live in your home. You were so scared. So you didn't have that attitude when main man was getting out the gate on you. So what makes you think you have that attitude now because it's DeMarcus? Okay, Come on now, stop acting like you gangster. Stop. You girl, you know you are. Girl, you know you are not even gangster. You were so scared that you said you wanted to even move. I mean, the people next door to you was a whole entire sheriff. And you were completely terrified. You came on you came on YouTube with all this crying, looking like you had lost your best friend in the world. You had Jazzy going around here just being bold and, you know, saying what she wanted to say, being a tough Tony. Nobody could piss in her Cheerios. Yes, that is how you had Jasmine looking out here for you. Yes. Awesome. In another video the other day, I think it was called That's Okay. And I watched that video. Now, where should I start? You said that you make men go crazy. And that was the reason why the other guy that you were just dealing with went crazy. Now, I'm not even going to talk too much about this, but what I am going to let you know is that watching that video, what really got me was, Chrissy, you were going straight hard. Okay, now, like I said, Jazzy was trying to act tough Tony. At this point, you are trying to act tough Tony. You broke it down for us, and you said that you could basically get any man. I told you guys
before, I'm confident in myself. I could have, let's just be honest, I make guys go crazy all the time if I want to. Case in point in my situation that I was in recently. So I have no problem if I want to just, you know, be in, you know, whatever. If I want to be in a situation, if I wanted somebody to be here, like, you know, to replace him, I could have anybody I want. I mean, I know people are like, well, who and how and other. I know you guys have all these questions, but it's like at the real root of the thing, like I could have whoever I wanted here. I don't have to beg. I don't have to feel sorry. I don't have to, I mean, you know, getting DICK is free, guys. It's free. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know why people are acting like I'm so pressed, you know. To be honest, let's get down to it just really quickly.
A few weeks before that, but then, you know, like I told Chrissy that night, like, bro, I was already done with you. I just came to your house that night to have sex with you. That's why I started, like, I wish I would have recorded it.
Wait a minute, you told her you did what?
I was really done. I was really done with you already. You know what I'm saying? I just came to your house because I knew I could hit you again. You know what I'm saying? Pop you again. So, you know what I'm saying? So.
And what she said when you told her that?
She kind of wasn't really trying to talk about it. She was just trying to, you know, like, don't give nobody else no information.
You know, the whole thing with the situation that I'm talking in code, I feel like, but those who know get it, and those who don't need to know. Okay. But the situation that I was in previously with the guy and the leaking of the address and the news and all that other stuff, like that situation, and not to continuously bring it up, but just to make a point that individual wanted to move into my house, right? And just as a comparison, my ex wanted the same thing.
Face it, the guy that put out all of your information and all of that, you said that he was upset because you wouldn't let him live with you. Now, I laugh at that. Okay.
The night that I went over that, like last one I was telling you about, because she trying to make it seem like I wanted a place to stay, but that wasn't it. But you know, I told you I'm gonna do it to see how easy she was, so she trying to make that. That's why, like, bro, you just trying to play me because I really got my own spot right now. I can video record my whole apartment right now.
Yeah, but see the thing. Remember, she said, well, basically he mad because he asked, could I move in? Could he move in? And I told him no.
She don't know.
But
she don't know that me and you talked about
exactly. That I'm the one who asked you to ask her that. Yeah, that's what she put out on her live. That's exactly what she said.
Don't try to play me because I'm on my patio right now, bro. Like, I make 19 at both my jobs. Like, bro, I don't need her, bro. So, but that's what I was trying to tell. Like, she was trying to say on her live, but she showed the screenshot, bro. Like, yeah, I make over 2K a month. You talking about your rent, but I was just trying to see how, if you was gonna let me do it, so we can really see how easy.
Exactly.
And she just don't know that. She's thinking that's the reason, but
I'm gonna go ahead and get off of him. And let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through for a new video. With that being said, we are going to go ahead and get out of here.